Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and on the second position we've got the timer. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like this, or choose 10 seconds, and as you can see it is notified right here in the shutter button. So let's tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn it off the same way, 3 bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.